She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a refreshing salad that is perfect for the summer. We're going to go ahead and make a kale crunch salad. So this is going to be the copycat version of Chick-fil-A's kale crunch salad. Got homemade dressing as well. Gonna put some almonds on there for the crunch, and it's gonna be delicious. So hopefully you guys are ready for this copycat recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster.
Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and toss this salad. So we've got our kale with the shredded cabbage in there, and we've got our homemade dressing here. Just gonna pour that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add our almonds. Nice, we see that. So let's go ahead and toss this salad. Like I said, this salad is perfect for the summer because it's a nice cool salad. It's got a delicious crunch with the almonds. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's all ready to go. Nice and tossed. Can you see that? Nicely tossed salad. Let's get a little bit out so we can try it. Make sure it's got all the delicious flavors. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and give this a try. This is the kale crunch salad. See that? That's a nice. You guys see that? It's a nice big old crunchy bite. feel like cabbage and kale. Delicious and fresh with the kale and the cabbage mixed together. And we got that homemade vinaigrette with the olive oil and a little bit of lemon juice, Dijon Mustard, apple cider vinegar. So good. And these are roasted and sea salt. Roasted almonds with sea salt. You could also add anything else to this salad. You could add grilled chicken, shrimp, avocado. You could even add some Parmesan cheese, like some fresh Parmesan cheese, like the like the flakes, the nice big shards of Parmesan cheese. Alright you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this Chick-fil-A Copycat Kale Crunch Salad. Perfect for the summertime. Definitely crunchy with that homemade vinaigrette. The kale and cabbage is a nice pairing together. So crisp, so crunchy, and so delicious. Or should I say so crisp, so crunchy, and so contagious, because you're going to want to make it again. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite summer salad if you did enjoy the recipe. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified, what they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions. You already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. Why you try